Hi, I'm Susan, and this is what we're making today. First of all, using butter, I'm going to grease my 6-inch. It calls for a springform pan, but this is one of those pans that the bottom lifts out. And you want to grease it extremely well. And then I'm just going to take some parchment paper and wrap along the sides. Now I've got 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of Swerve. And you may need more, you'll test it and see. And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of full fat ricotta cheese at room temperature. The zest of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. Now you want to beat that on high speed until you get a smooth mixture with no lumps, and that took a few minutes for me. I also wiped my bowl down a few times. I wondered if it might have done better with the whisk attachment. Now you just want to give it a little taste to see if it's sweet enough for you. And that was plenty sweet for me, but my son said it could have used a little bit more sweetener for him. Now you want to add 2 eggs that were at room temperature and reduce the speed to low. And you just want to blend it until the eggs are incorporated, or else the crust will crack. Now pour your cheesecake mixture into your prepared pan. Cover it with foil, and if you have a silicone lid, you can use that instead. Now you want to add 2 cups of water, and you want to place your trivet in there. And I have this little thing that's really handy to lift your dishes in and out if you do a pot and pot cook. But if not, you can just take some foil and wrap it over a few times. Just pull your foil long enough to where it'll reach outside of the pot, and just fold it over a few times till you got like a strap. And then all you have to do is lift it out with that foil. So I've done that before I got that little silicone thing. Now I cooked my cheesecake for 30 minutes, and you want it to release naturally, and it took about an hour or so for it to do that. And now I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of the Swerve, and you just want to mix that and spread it over the top of your warm cake. Now I'm going to cover my cheesecake with a clean piece of foil, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours. You don't want to go any less than that. And this is how it turned out, and it's so good. I was very impressed with it. It is so lemony. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you could be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.